Here we go. Daddy is blindfolded. Zoe's choice of color. And come on, let's go this way. Here, get my hand, Daddy.
I can't see anything.
Oh, that's okay. Don't you peek. Zoe worked really hard on picking out her Halloween costume. And she wants to show you what she's going to be for Halloween.
I thought we already had what she's going to be for Halloween.
Well, we found this other thing, and it's a lot better. Come on through the threshold.
This is not...
The dogs think it's funny. This way. Zoe thinks it's really funny. Okay, keep going.
Why didn't you just blindfold me like right over there or something?
Well, because I didn't want you to see any part of her costume.
Well, make sure she don't fall.
She's not going to fall. I got her real good. Okay. Now, you can take off your... Get closer.
Huh? Did you find out you're pregnant?
What does it say?
Big sister? Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I told you.
You want to love Zoe?
Oh, really? Did your mom know?
Nobody knows but you. And Dr. Wright.
That's awesome.